And we are in front of one of my favorite vans, the Possl 2Win R Plus, that is pretty long in production and they perfected every little chance of it. And also this spec is just 54,000 euros. This is the spec. Let's go inside. So inside we shall be finding the standard item holder, pretty nice design for this side. And let's enter inside. So they are keeping this upper part for additional storage. And then standard Citroën chassis with this seating and actually additional padding on top of the original text. And on this side we have some pretty comfortable chairs for two people. And there is also the slide out. From that side we have the Dometic cookware with a separate sink. Upper part there is some open storage and then additional storage for your kitchen. On this side the control panel and the Truma iNet ready heating system. And the standard round situation, let's firstly check that for fridge, pretty big and wide, approximately 90 liters. And then we have this also great situation for your actual shower. And that's pretty much a great idea that I really like so far. And when you close it in, you have a ton of space to take a shower, take a shit, or actually use the toilet with your head. And on the upper part, a lot of storage cabinets open and closed. Also on this lower part. This is a pretty well designed toilet which has a lot of space inside. I will be now turning this and getting out so I don't suffocate because it's pretty hot. And on the lower part there is an additional cabinet space that's actually pretty deep. Step for your bed. And well, you can understand when I flip the actual camera how this looks. And I'm 185 centimeters tall, so you will understand that I barely fit inside of this part of the toilet is 180. So for taller people you will have some crouching to do, but not bad. Let's turn on the camera and measure the bed from the back. And as I forgot to mention, you have some pretty deep cabinet space inside with the complete section also right up there. And also from this side, pretty deep cabinet space. Let's go from the back and measure the actual bed. But before doing that, we have a lot of cabinets here. That's actually because the fridge is mounted just right there. So we have pretty deep and large cabinets. Also the lower is pretty big. So a lot of space for storing your items. And going out and getting on the back to check this. It's actually my favorite van. So from the back we shall be measuring the bed. Understand the dimensions. 1.568, not bad. And from this side is 1.545, and pretty large bed. And it's almost 2 meters long. So this is actually one of my favorite camper vans for two or actually for 4 people if you have the pop-up roof. Pretty nice.